A severe thunderstorm was located near Cobb, or 8 miles northeast of Cadiz, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hopkinsville, Cadiz, Crofton, Cobb, and Hawkins. This includes Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile marker 60 and 73. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Caldwell, Christian, and Trigg. Now